wanted to shoot a little video as the before of a truck that I just picked up. This is a 1996 regular cab short bed F150 XLT OBS, old body styles is what they're called. This pretty relatively loaded out truck. It's got the 302 automatic, power windows, door locks, cruise tilt, AM FM stereo. Just needs a little love. Overall, good condition. Interior does need a good deep clean. I'm going to pressure wash everything that I can in here. I don't want to spend a ton of money or a ton of time on this. Just want to get it to where we can enjoy it. 126,000 original miles on it. I've been all up onto the truck. Does need a headliner. Just needs some touch, some love. I mean, it really just needs to be touched up here and there. A good deep clean is going to make a world of difference. Again, this is going to be kind of the before video. Got a brand new set of 31 1050 tires on it. Those are not the correct rims. I'd like to go back with something period correct. Got a little winch bumper that came with it I assembled the other day. I'll get the hood open here and I can show you the engine. Not in horrible condition. Again, just needs a good cleanup. Some maintenance items I'll probably do, just a good tune-up. Want to get it running. Did need a fuel pump. Got one on order, along with a couple of other items, filler neck, fuel filter, battery terminals, just stuff like that. Want to get this truck to where we can just hop in it and go. Relatively loaded out truck. This truck is a 1996 model. That makes it 30 years old, which kind of hurts my feelings. But also, I looked it up. This truck was not but about $18,000 brand new. And for its time was a relatively loaded out pickup. Needs a few little interior pieces of bezel here or there. The power windows and door locks. Everything that I've tested on the truck so far does work. I also received another set of seats when I bought this truck. Some 40-20-40 bucket console combination, but it does not have the right seat bracket. So I'm hoping that I can find that. Or that this seat right here cleans up. We'll put a new dash pad on it. Those are available aftermarket. I've got another dash bezel that I'm going to put on there. And like I said, other than just cleaning it up, buffing it up, just want to be able to enjoy this truck. Maybe a spray-in bed liner before it's all said and done. It does have dual exhaust, dual Flowmasters on it. 302 sounds really good with Flowmasters. Receiver hitch. Maybe knock some of these dents out if I can get some PDR guys to help me with those. And just want to get this thing to where we can enjoy it. So I hope that you come back, check this thing out. Like I said, this is going to be the first video, the before video. Come back and check it out as we go through this thing.